In this video, we are going to share with you some special iftar items. Yes, you can get the chicken Russian kebab and along with it, the recipe for the delicious chicken Russian cutlet, all for free, straight from the caterer's kitchen. Enjoy these delightful dishes without any cost. So make sure to watch this video till the end.
You are watching Guide of Production. Today I have Kamal Bhai with me, and here we are making Russian kebab. What's in it, friends?
And
Carrot. How much? In what quantity?
this is at least 100 grams.
100 grams of fresh carrot. The water that has been boiled, it remains. Ginger is going into the water, Alka's water.
Narso.
Garlic. Every ingredient has chili in it. The same water in which the carrot was boiled, and then after that, in it. 100, 100. Grams went. How much quantity are we making and how much is this?
Minimum one piece.
And you have added one piece of chicken. How much chicken is this? Yes, two.
3.
250. Now, how long to boil this?
Only chicken.
Boil until the chicken is boiled. Our Russian cup is ready. Look, you don't want to waste the water. How many pieces of chicken went into this?
How many chicken pieces?
In 2,525. Next, prepare the Russian kebab. First, we have taken a good amount of oil. How much is 250 milliliters? 200 milliliters in 250 milliliters of oil. Now, what is going in? Garlic has gone in. You have to roast the garlic well until it sizzles. And now flour is going in. Directly added flour to the oil. How much flour is this?
This is approximately 500 grams.
It will be. So it was half a kilogram of oil. Garlic we have. But how much did we add?
50 grams in flour. 500 grams.
500 grams of flour. Now let's talk about what ingredients are going into the dish. Here you have the option to use a Ajinomoto or a taste maker to enhance the flavor. In addition to that, vinegar is also being added to the Russian kebab to give it a unique taste. Vinegar, right? The sourness has come. The stock water is also being used. Now look, the water from the carrot and beans that we boiled, and there was chicken in it too. Now you. Lightly add water. Chili sauce. Chili sauce has been added. And chili, this Russian kebab is going to be spicy. Nowadays, Putin is okay with other countries. Now what is going in? Oh, cabbage. Cabbage has gone in. Take a handful and the chicken that we boiled earlier. Now add it just like this. And the chicken has gone into it. Lightly, what is this? Salt? Keep stirring. Just keep stirring. Guys, please try to ignore the camera movement and instead focus on the content being presented. I'm shooting it myself. My friend Sahil Anchari is out of town today, otherwise he is not affordable. Ready, garnished with coriander. Now, how long will we cool this? Cool?
In 30 minutes.
It'll cool down in half an hour, then we'll make patties and deep fry them. If we have prepared the ingredients for the Russian kebab, then we can make and store it.
Yes, you can store it for a few days.
It'll last.
It will last for 2 days.
It will last for 2 days. So if you make a little extra, you can store it in the fridge for a party later.
You can use it later.
You can use it comfortably for 2 days.
Yes, comfy. Now I'm making balls. After making the balls, I will dip them in egg, then coat them with vermicelli and then press them gently before frying them until they are golden brown.
Then you'll fry them later. Now what? Are you doing? Same, taking. Okay.
We will break the vermicelli into small pieces.
Now this. Dipping it in the egg like this. So you do it like this. Dipped in egg and coated with vermicelli like this. Lightly. First you. I dipped it. Now, can you show me how to flatten it so that we can fry it fresh? Lightly. So it seems that the size of your Russian kebab has also increased a bit.
Now we are making chicken cutlets from the patties.
Chicken cutlet.
Yes, now we are coating it with breadcrumbs.
Earlier it was coated with vermicelli. Now it's coated with breadcrumbs.
Yes, breadcrumbs. After coating with breadcrumbs, dip in egg and deep fry in hot oil.
It's the same.
Same. The egg will give a different flavor and the vermicelli will add crunchiness.
We're making cutlets dipped in breadcrumbs. Wow, wow, wow. 2 items from 1 recipe. Wow. Then we will add the egg later. This Russian kebab is different. It has vermicelli and the chicken cutlet has breadcrumbs.
So first we are going to deep fry the chicken Russian cutlet. Before deep frying, make sure to dip the chicken cutlet in egg to coat it evenly. Then proceed to deep fry the cutlet until it turns a nice golden brown. Once it's perfectly fried, serve it hot and enjoy it during iftar. This delicious dish is sure to be a hit. So enjoy it all year round, and please remember us in your prayers. When preparing, fry the Russian kebab directly without adding an egg. Fry it until golden brown. And now this delicious Russian kebab is ready to be served along with all the other starters. If you would like to have this recipe, please leave a comment below.
We want to thank the entire Medina Caterers team. Bro, what's your name? Chere Alam. Chere Alam is here with us, along with Kamal, who took the time to explain the entire recipe in detail. Also with them is a team member. What's his name again? Imran. Imran, thank you. Yadav Bhai, show your face. My name is Imran, and I would like to introduce you to Sawal Bhai, the rock star who generously shared all these wonderful recipes with us for the entire month of Ramadan. I am taking this for iftar. I will go ahead and eat it today, and then I will tell you how it tastes. Thank you so much. And the good thing is it's very reasonably priced. They've kept the price very reasonable. Thank you so much for that as well. If you are looking to deliver iftar to the nearby Medina Mosque, you can simply call them directly. Once you get in touch with them, you can ask them to send the iftar on your behalf, and they will definitely make sure it gets delivered.
Okay.
All right, thank you so much. I heard their biryani is very good too. I'll come to try that as well. Thanks so much. Goodbye. A kid has come to watch our shoot, and they have applied a lot of coal. What's his name? Abu Haras. Hello, Abu Haras. You've applied a lot of coal. I had a question in my mind, Kamal Bhai, why do they call this kebab Russian kebab?